People about to enjoy this. Flat Earth versus Globe Earth. Let's work. Let's work. Huh? Earth is flat. Prove it's not by presenting anything behind gravity. I mean, I'm just saying, though, I'm a flat earther and I'm presenting these here debates. Flat Earth versus the globe. Let's go, though. Where is gravity? Can anybody present or show us here gravity today, tonight? I mean, yeah, man. You know, can y'all do that? If you can't, that means the earth is flat and it will always be flat. Flat earth versus the globe. Let's go. What y'all got? Don't be scared. We know y'all is because y'all ain't got nothing y'all can present behind that there ball y'all proclaiming to be living on. What you gonna do behind that though? What y'all gonna do? Big scare. Flat earth versus the globe, man. We rock behind electromagnetics, electromagnetism to be exact. Yeah, which is which is within the earth. So, where's your gravity and how does it have any effect on nor upon anything? Y'all cannot explain this, nor can y'all present it in any sort nor type of way. What's going on with this, man? We gotta have an understanding behind this here. Y'all can't be running around and just telling people whatever y'all think y'all can nor should. Come on now. Period. It's got to make sense. We got to really get down to this. Everything here on Earth is literally magnetic to a certain extent. So what's really going on with this here operators? Where y'all at? Don't be scared. Jump in the box. Y'all know y'all can't come up here and present nothing behind that ball. Y'all try to proclaim and present them to people like it's really something, man. But I'm going to stand right here and be here today and show the people and present to the people everything y'all been saying and trying to say. There's been nothing but fallacies and all false lies and things. I'm going to prove it literally, not playing. Yeah, Mr. Flat Earth itself. Once again, I'm about to do this the right way. Show y'all how y'all, yeah, you know, the only way you really can debunk the ball. Not playing. Yeah. It ain't a globe or ever, man, that has defeated me. Can defeat me. The ball is a phallus. I'm going to prove it to y'all. Earth. I'm him.
What's up?
What's going on? You
I'm
think you
actually,
believe you live on the, you think you believe, I mean, you believe you live on the ball?
shit. All this research I've been doing, I'm on like, I'm in the middle. Cause they conditioned us since elementary school to believe we're on the globe, right? And I was one of those kids in second, third grade, and I asked my teacher, like, why doesn't the water at the bottom of the globe just fall? And the whole class laughed at me and was like, "Oh, because of gravity." I'm like, "But it just
Yeah,
doesn't make
nobody
sense."
can present it. I mean, can anybody present gravity in any shape nor form? I just
But
want to know
but I
what
got this
people.
question. I got this question for you. If the Earth was flat, why would they try to hide it?
Oh,
Like
because
why?
you know, man. Oh, it's more land beyond the ice walls. They don't want people to know that. It's more land beyond the ice walls. You know, for the people that really think and believe it, there's no more land beyond the ice walls. Explain this.
What is that? A cloud?
What does that don't look like a mushroom cloud to you?
It does. It looks like a nuclear cloud.
Can anybody explain this if there's not land beyond the ice walls?
But what does that have to do with it being land beyond the ice walls? It's just a mushroom cloud.
It's a nuclear bomb going off beyond the ice walls. They're attacking.
What city was this picture taken in?
Doesn't matter. Trust me, if it was happening in this region, everybody would have known about it. Everybody. There isn't a continent in this region the people wouldn't have heard about a nuclear explosion going off.
So beyond the ice wall, do you feel like there's more human beings like us, or do you feel like it's like some other form of human beings beyond the ice wall?
Nah, they're just extraterrane beings. That's really what they and who they are. Extraterrane beings.
So do you think the sun is local? Wait, so you don't believe in space, huh?
Space is beyond the Great Dome. It's not right here where they try to teach and tell everybody where it's at. It's not here. It's beyond the Great Dome. You got to go beyond the ice walls, and then you gotta stay amongst the outer lands, and you will run into the Great Dome. But space is truly beyond the Great Dome. They know this.
So you believe we never landed on the moon?
The moon's right here in your local atmosphere. The
Do
moon
you
is
believe
resting.
do you believe
The
we
moon.
landed on it in 1968?
It's a possibility. It's a possibility. It's right here in your local atmosphere. No
All
game.
right, so let me get this straight. The moon is local, and you
But they're
somewhat
not
believe.
going out into space with floppy disk technology. Talking about they went to the moon in space with floppy disk technology. How you do that? You
All
got to
right,
explain that. You went to space with 4 gigabytes? Come
all
on.
right.
Stop playing with it. Yeah, you can go to the moon if it's right here local, though, with floppy disk tech. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, that's simple. But space with floppy disk? Don't run that over here again. Don't play with us.
So you heard about the Russia breaking off their treaty
Yeah,
between the
hey, nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it.
So
Shoot,
do you think they did that just
uh,
because of they're
no,
going to?
they wanna actually expose the truth to the world. They tired of the way the world is going, and they not agreeing with this new world order at all. They not, yeah, they not in agreement with it. So, yeah, Russia ready to stand against them in every and any way and shape and form. Period. They not with it.
So you don't believe in other planets?
Nah, it's just other land spans. That's why they call it outer space, because you're not going up. You're not going to upper space. You're going to outer space.
You're going to extra terrain, which is why they call them
Okay?
extraterrestrials.
You're going beyond the ice wall. You
The
here.
terror map.
You within this ice ring. You go out from here, you went to outer space. You go out to here, you went to outer space. Outer space, outer space. Outer space is anywhere where you reside. If you go out from the space where you reside, these continents that's known to you, that's being known to you, you basically went to outer space. And you travel, and you just time travel, because this is a whole new time system that they go behind. So basically, you time traveled as well. It's all a
So
mind
you
game.
so you believe to get to the outer space is just beyond the Antarctica ice walls.
Up top.
And you believe Antarctica is not a continent, it's more like a barrier. It wraps around this whole world.
Antarctica is truly the ice walls. The continent in the middle, it's not Antarctica at all. They just tell the people that. Just to tell them that. Period. The fastest cars in the world can't keep up with the proclaimed rotation of a globe Earth. But without gravity, how would any and everybody survive? They can't even prove gravity exists on that ball, and this thing is spinning. At truly, they say 900 and like that's 996 point something miles per hour. They say the Earth is spinning at their globe. The fastest car in the world, well, one of the fastest cars, can't keep up with that. Without gravity, how would any and everybody survive? Earth speed, Hennessy Venom speed. How would anybody survive? Nobody can survive this. There's no gravity. Prove gravity exists. How can anybody survive? They can't. You won't. Literally, it'd be nothing but total devastation. It'll be total catastrophes at all times.
You ever been in a gravitron before at the state fair? That ride that you just get
It's,
in with no seatbelts and you just stand on the wall and
yeah,
like you stick
spin.
there?
It just keeps spinning you till you about to be ready to throw up. I know which way you talking about. Yeah, I did it once. I didn't like it, man. I didn't like it. Not for me.
But picture that ride, the gravitron, right? On a bigger scale like Earth. The gravitron is spinning really fast and it's keeping us to the wall, right? So imagine the gravitron as big as Earth. We would stick closer to our surface just like we do on a gravitron.
That's cool, but you gotta prove gravity exists here.
I don't think it's more so gravity. I think it's just more so the the speed we're spinning at.
You'd be thrown off. All the oceans would be
How would we be
the
thrown
oceans would
off
be
if
running over
we
the land
can't
at
get?
all times.
We would be stuck to the land at all times.
It'd be tsunamis, total catastrophes at all times. Nobody would be able to survive
Hmm. Why do you feel like that?
because they can't
Because
prove gravity.
nobody wasn't flying around in the gravitron like breaking limbs or nothing.
Right, that's due all because of electromagnetism, though. We stay here on flat Earth, you stay grounded and all this, due to electromagnetism. You have literally magnetic, man. When I tell you magnetic elements flowing through your veins and the Earth is a giant magnet, they cannot go around that in any sort nor type of way. They can't prove gravity presented to nobody. They can't. Gravity is non existence. You have magnetic elements flowing through the veins in your body. Earth is a giant magnet. Everything on Earth and everything that comes from the Earth is literally magnetic to a certain extent. So, what is gravity doing? Where is gravity? Where is this mass they proclaim that emits gravity? Please let me know, man, so I can dig into it and find the element, take a piece of it, take it somewhere, test it, and really, get to the bottom of their claim behind gravity, which is gravitrons and G waves. I just want to know. Because, everybody been looking for this till this day, and they still ain't found it, and this don't make any sense. I'm just saying, let's get to the real, everything behind this here. Nobody can prove it in any sort of physical way, but yet we got to believe in it, like we, believe in our Father, Lord Supreme Being God. Nah, we not doing that no more. The Earth is flat. It's all due to electromagnetism. Everybody know that. Nikola Tesla knew that. They knew that. Augustus Picard knew that. The first man to, ever go up. He said the Earth was flat with turned up edges. So what's going on with this? Don't make any sense. But we gonna get to the bottom of it. Believe this. But look, bro,
All
I'm gonna
right.
let you down.
You ever
I'm gonna let the
hold up.
next guest up. You be
I got
careful
one
out
more
there.
question.
Peace, love, and harmony to you, though.
I got one more question.
Go ahead.
Have you ever done your own research regarding the flat Earth theory?
Of course.
Like you sent the air balloon all the way up to the atmosphere before to see if the Earth really
Wait,
curves or not?
You ain't
I have a
listen, man.
question.
You gotta do it from a certain location. Listen. Go figure out where August Picard actually set up his whole testing.
Do you feel like birds are magnetic too? Have electromagnetism?
Everything is come from Earth. Everything. But look, I'm
Okay,
gonna
wait,
let
wait,
you
wait.
down. I'm gonna have a conversation with this guy.
All
Be
right.
careful out there. Peace, love, harmony to you, man.
Yo, what's up?
What's going on? What's going on, man? You think the Earth's a ball?
Nah, um, I have a few questions.
Okay.
Um, the Earth is flat, right? Explain
Yes,
the
it is.
sunrise.
The sun doesn't rise. The sun just goes around. Just goes further
Goes
away and
around
comes
what?
on back around your head, around the continents of the Earth, this region of this plane of terrain.
How?
It's connected to the magnetic tower, which is in the center of the region. It's a minor one.
Okay, a minor magnetic tower located in the center of the region, right?
Yeah.
And you say
Sir, do you think you can
everything
point
on
us in the
Earth has.
direction of gravity, though?
You can't point in the direction of gravity because you can't see gravity. Gravity is like a force, like your magnetic force, because you can't point
Sir,
at
I can,
anything
sir, I
that's
can
magnetic.
literally,
And if
sir, I can
yeah,
literally put
yeah.
magnets in your hand. Can you put anything in my hand physically behind your gravity?
Okay, you can put magnets in my hand, but I can't attract anything metal. If there's you said there's we have some magnetic what particles in our bodies. Why?
Let's go. Flat Earth versus Globe man. Feel me? Let's really get to
Hello?
this here. What's going on, sir? You believe and think the Earth's a ball, though?
Yeah, I'm actually like I have a physics degree, and
I'm glad you do, so you can prove to the people the Earth ain't no ball. You understand me? Yeah, let's work.
okay. The thing is, the Earth is spherical, right? The Earth is spherical.
No, no, it's
That
not.
is no doubt. And gravity. To answer a question about
It is a
gravity,
doubt to that, sir. It is a doubt to that. It is
I
all
have
the
a
way.
question for you. I've got a
Mm,
question for you.
go
Why
ahead.
do you think that if you jump from a building you fall down? Why don't you fall up?
It's all due to electromagnetism. You know what I'm talking about, man? You got magnetic elements flowing through the veins of your body. So, yeah, man, you're going to be, attracted down to the ground.
So you're
Because
saying the ground is going to attract you like a magnet?
the Earth is a giant magnet.
Okay, so you're saying that like everyone is magnetic, and that's why they fall down
That's
to
what I
Earth.
just said. Can you
But
present
but but
anything on your gravity to try to make it seem like it's due to gravity?
Yeah, but why then? Since magnets also repel other things, why aren't people pushed upwards from the Earth? Because if you put
Oh,
certain
because the
sides of
top
magnets
half is
together, then they
positive, the bottom half is negative. You know what I'm talking about?
okay. Here's the thing. This is what happens. What happens is the Earth is spherical. It moves through space and time, and space time.
Can you
The
prove
reason
that?
why the
Because
Earth
we ain't never seen live feed of the whole Earth in a spherical form.
okay,
Why is that?
the reason why you are pushed towards the Earth is because the Earth is like a moving car. The reason why
Sir,
someone wears a seatbelt
sir,
when a car is moving, yeah,
hey, why haven't
when
anybody seen live feed of the whole Earth, though?
it's there. Like you can go and check the NASA websites. It's always there. There are always
It's a
live feeds of
portion,
the Earth. And
right? It's a portion of the Earth. Why isn't there live feed of the whole, supposed to be ball? Why we don't
because
see
like
that?
if okay, if you look at like for example, if you look at someone, right, you can't see behind their head because you can only see
Sir,
what's
that's
in
not
front
the
of you
question. Sir,
because
that
you don't
wasn't.
you,
That wasn't the question. That wasn't the question, sir. The question was, why don't we ever see the whole Earth? They say the satellites are out in space, so we should be able to see the whole Earth.
the same thing that's that I that I
Physics,
said like
physics,
if you look at the okay
physics,
if you look at the
physics,
moon, right,
physics.
if you look at
Can
the
you give
moon you can only
physics,
see like one
sir,
side of it.
sir, sir? You said
Yeah,
you're a physicist, sir. Can you give us a straight answer to what I just said?
what's the question? I'm trying to explain.
I just said the question. What you hollering?
Okay, can you ask again? Can you come again?
Say less. You feel me? Hey, the question was though, why we don't see the whole Earth on live feed? The whole Earth. They say the satellites are far out in space. Why we don't see the whole Earth on live feed when you go to NASA? That was the question.
Okay, if you look at, do you know what a geostationary satellite is?
So you ain't got no answer.
Look, I'm asking you for, so that I can explain. Do you know what a geostationary satellite is? A geostationary satellite is a satellite that just remains in one position of the Earth. So, which means if it's pointing towards the USA, you're only going to see the USA. If it's not geostationary and it's moving around the Earth, right, you're going to see all the Earth, but you're not going to see the whole Earth at the same time because obviously what's
Sir,
behind it cannot be seen
sir,
by based on your
sir,
view.
sir. Do you not know they proclaim to have satellites that's here in the atmosphere, and then they proclaim to have satellites that is within the exosphere?
Yeah, of
Why
course.
don't they use those satellites, sir, that are farther out, is what I'm saying, to show the
Because
people the full circumference of the earth on live feed? That's all I ask. That's it.
Obviously, because like an angle is you can view more from far, like than closer. Like if you look at Earth from a tall building, you're going to see only a small space. But if you go further away, you're going. That is why if you look at the moon, if you go to the moon, if you are 50 meters above the moon, right?
Hey, you
If you are
said
50
you was
meters
in.
above the moon,
Hey,
you're not going
say,
to
hey,
see
hold
it
on,
very
yo,
down.
yo,
Like,
yo, hey,
that's
sir, excuse me. I don't mean to be rude or nothing, but I'm not about to let you monologue nor diatribe here on my live. You don't have no answer to that. That don't make no sense.
yeah,
You say you in
but
pure
what you're
physics.
proposing is
You
also dumb.
say
Like what you're proposing, saying that gravity does not exist
you
and
know what?
everyone is
Let's
a
get
magnet.
to
Then
the
why are
bottom of
people
this.
not
I'll
rebel?
tell you why. I'll tell you
People
why.
not
I'll tell you
rebel?
why. Because no machine nor man can make it through the magnetosphere, region of the upper atmosphere extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that charged particles are trapped in. So how can
Let me tell
any
you something.
satellite?
The
I'm not
magnetosphere
done
has
talking. I'm not
nothing
done
to do with
talking.
mass.
Hey, I'm not done
The
talking. Hey,
the magnetosphere,
hey,
there
hey,
is
bro,
Coulomb's law.
get off my
Coulomb's
lawn.
law is what.
We ain't got no answers. Talking about you a physicist. Yeah, you just got that work though. You know what I'm talking about? What's happening?
Hello.
What's going on with it? How old are you?
I'm 28, believe it or
Okay,
not.
okay. You think Earth's a ball?
Absolutely. But I want to ask you a question first, because then I think I could explain my point a little bit better if I ask you first.
Go ahead.
And now I heard you mentioning like this bundle of magnetic ions. Where are those coming from? Where is that coming from? What energy is being generated to be able to feed those magnetic ions, if
Magma.
not for gravity? Magma?
Yeah.
Through the little
Fire.
volcanic activity we have left?
It's all due to electromagnetism.
I agree with you. I
Magnetic
do. I'm not
waves
arguing with
emit.
that.
Magnetic waves emit from the Earth. That's
But
how
there'd have to be a
they
pull or
energy.
a source of energy, is what I'm saying, and I understand your
It
point of
is. It's the Earth.
magnetism.
The Earth is the pull, and yeah, the
Yeah,
pull
so you'd have
and
to have some
repel.
sort of energy and pull, right?
Right. The
There you
electromagnetism
go.
within the
There's
Earth.
gravity.
No, that's not gravity at all. What are you talking about? That's electromagnetism. The top half of the Earth is the pull. The bottom half beneath the Earth is the repel. So yeah. Uh huh.
No, I just
Yes. Okay. I got a question for you now. You asked me a question. I
sure,
got one for you. Yeah.
absolutely.
Thanks. Yeah. No problem. Do you think you can demonstrate your gravity for us here today through allotropy?
I'm not sure what allotropy is. You'll have to brief me on that
I
one.
was just asking if you can show us gravity in more than one form.
Um, well, I guess you could take the first primary example of two magnets, right? You know, the physical example of what we can see with our eyes.
Did you
Um,
say magnets?
like just thinking of physical magnets, like positive,
That has nothing to
positive
do
to
with
negative.
gravity.
Ask your question again.
Oh, I said, do you think you can show us two different forms of your gravity, which is allotropy?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to explain to you was a physical form we could refer to as like literal magnets, like
That
pulling
is
to
not
each
a
other.
physical form for your gravity. That is a physical form for electromagnetism broken
I
down.
think for our naked eye, yes, and for us to be able to see
No,
that
not
sort
at
of
all.
immediate change in
Your field of
our
miss your field of study. Yeah, the world's lead top scientists say electromagnetism and gravity are literally two separate and different independent things. So
well, I mean, don't include me in with that those group of scientists because I don't agree with all of them. Some of that research I can agree with you is, you know, shouldn't be out there, but with that, I would try to regard both
so
sides.
you over here. Well, let me let you know something else. I'm gonna let you go on to know something else too. You understand the dig? But check this here. Yeah, you can't survive on your that ball, man, but just off magnets. You hear me though? Off toppery. Just to slow you down, though. Yeah, you will not survive on the ball off of electromagnetism. You will be flung out into what they proclaim to
Oh,
be
can I
space.
mention something before I forget? I'm sorry.
Go
What
ahead.
about the change of seasons?
Oh, it's all due to the magnetic tower pulling the sun in and out.
But why aren't we all experiencing the same season if it's a flat Earth?
The sun does spin in a circle over your head. Wow. Huh?
Well,
Oh, okay.
okay. I apologize for interrupting you.
Oh, it's all good. You know what I'm talking about? For shout out. Yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
let the next guest up though. You be careful out there.
All right. Hey.
Earth is flat. What I tell y'all? Period.
Yo,
What it is though?
how you doing, brother? Yo, let me
I'm well.
start off by saying real quick, I'm not a scientist, none of that. I'm not claiming to be none of that shit. I don't know.
Don't cuss again on
I,
my
I,
live. I appreciate
I
you.
believe what I believe. I'm not like trying to like g you up, like I'm gonna tell you what you believe. But let me start off by second. Let me answer what my Wakandan brother was trying to answer before for you. The dude, he couldn't answer why the Earth wasn't a whole picture. You can't see a whole picture of the Earth from space, right? From the satellite. What is it? It's a NASA feed. So basically, the the space station, right? Which they
No,
are
that
going to
that was
crash.
debunked,
And
sir. That was debunked, sir.
I'm trying to answer the question from before.
There's nothing to answer.
No, you asked why you couldn't see the whole Earth in the picture or in the video in the live feed.
Be Why do you think it is, sir? Go ahead.
Oh, that's what I'm trying to. That's what I was trying to tell you my opinion.
Yes, sir.
Well,
Go ahead.
the Earth is so big and round, and the space station is not even. It's like skimming, like it's in space, like
Okay,
technically,
okay.
but
I can't
still.
let you go ahead no more. Yeah. Listen, check this out. Due to the magnetosphere, yeah, man,
Go ahead.
a portion of the upper atmosphere, you know what I'm talking about, region of the upper atmosphere extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that charged particles are trapped in. Once again, man, what satellite made it out there? This is why you don't see live feed of the supposed to be all the way circumference of the globe, Earth. So, what was you saying?
Okay, so you're telling me there's not a space station in space right now with astronauts in it? I'm just saying that's what you're saying.
It's beneath
I
the
just want to know.
magnetosphere.
Yeah, the
But you said you
magnetosphere.
was
Yeah,
trying to,
that's
get to that
what keeps
question
us
that the
from
last
what.
guest. Wait, slow down, man. We ain't gonna speed past that. You was trying to, get back to a question you said about the last guest, and yeah, now that I know, ran through that, now you're trying to jump from. Okay, but anyway, but check
Okay,
again. It's all but beneath the magnetosphere.
I got
Nobody
ADD. My
made it
bad.
through that. Hey, can you present gravity though? Where's gravity? You think you can help us with this here?
With gravity, okay,
Yeah, what's
the
up with that
simplest
though?
answer is always the best. I say the Earth gravity's with mass, so everything that has mass can have some sort of gravity. Like Mount Everest has, it's so big, right? If you take it in its whole, it has its own gravity. Just not as big as the Earth, obviously. You have your own gravity.
No, sir.
Everybody has their own
No,
mass. So anything that with mass could generate will eventually have
no,
gravity. But
sir. I don't emit G waves, so that's a fallacy that's debunked already. But yeah,
G wave, I'm
anything
sorry, could you
else?
explain that? I'm
Yeah.
not sure what that is. G
Oh,
wave.
you have homework to do. Next guest, let's work. So I'm out. Ah, what's going on with it?
Hello, my friend.
I
I'm
see
good.
you. I see you. You think Earth a ball?
Sorry?
You think
Say
the
again?
Earth? Do you think the Earth is a ball?
Yeah, I believe the Earth is a ball. You believe the Earth is flat, yeah?
Yeah, I do.
And could you give me one good scientific reason that has been found before that proves the Earth is flat?
No scientist in history has ever presented gravity in a physical form.
Yeah, gravity is not a physical form. Is it a physical
Bam,
form? I think it's
boom, gave it to you. Can you present gravity? Where's gravity, sir? Show it to us. If you think you can do that.
gravity as explained by Mr. Einstein is that due to mass, space is bent, and due to the bent of space, we are being pulled down to Earth due to the mass of the Earth. That's
So
all I can
you're
say.
basically you're saying LIGO. That was Einstein's theory. LIGO was Einstein's theory. Do you know that?
Sorry,
Do you know LIGO was actually Einstein's theory? You know that?
LIGO. Well, I
Yeah,
don't
that's
know what
actually
that is.
Einstein's theory. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's
what you're talking
the
about.
theory
That's
of
what you're
general
literally talking
relativity.
about right here, but you don't know what you're talking about. But all right, yeah, let me show you something. Yeah, you know,
Okay.
your LIGO actually debunks itself. That right there, space warping and all of this, yeah, bending and warping time. Yeah, all right, let's get to it. Why does LIGO debunk itself? Because black holes are what theoretical concepts? Why are black holes theoretical concepts? Because no one has made it through the magnetosphere. Why can't no one make it through the magnetosphere? Because all charged particles get trapped in the magnetosphere. So how can anybody say or make a claim of beyond amongst a black hole? They can't. That's why it's just a theoretical concept. And then they say gravitational waves are formed from black holes colliding together until they become one. How can this be when they are literally theoretical concepts? So once again, sir, what is gravity and how is gravity bending and warping space and time?
I don't think you understand about the concept of general relativity because,
I do all
first
the
of
way.
all,
I
I don't know.
literally just broke
I
it down
don't
and
know what.
explained it to you and showed you the flaws within it. So what are you saying? I showed you the flaws within it right now. You telling me I don't understand it? Make it make sense.
Okay, I'll try to make sense. So, from my understanding, is that the magnetosphere that you're calling right now, where does it originate from? Could you tell me that?
Upper atmosphere. I told you that. So you have
Yeah, I
no
think I saw a video of yours
to
before
present behind
where you put out. There was a
sir.
picture of a pole.
Hey sir.
Yes.
Do you
Yeah.
have anything else you think you could present behind your gravity? Because your LIGO theory was just debunked. What else you think you can do?
What is a libel theory? Okay, could you tell me what the libel? What is it? I don't know what that is.
LIGO,
That's why.
you have studying to do. Gravity causes magma.
No, actually, me personally, I agree with you with the Earth being flat. Don't get me wrong, because like I'm a spiritual person, so the Earth being flat, I'm with you with that 100%. You feel me? But I also believe in fairness. You feel me? This is a debate. You can't just like you know what I'm saying. You know,
Tell me what to do on my live, sir. What's going on?
What's
I see
up?
you back, man.
Yeah, I'm back, man. I just wanted you to ask a question about do you if you can state the universal law of gravitation?
It don't exist.
No, but can you state it? Because you can't
It don't
disprove something that
exist.
you don't
It's
know.
fallacious. It's made up. Just a Winnie the Pooh story. What's the point? It's no need. Can you prove
The
gravity
thing
exists?
is, the thing is, you're saying that the magnetosphere is the reason why everything falls, but the magnetic
That's not
field is
what I
created
said.
by the
Anything
core.
falls. I said everything get trapped in as a charged particle that try to go through it is what I said. Don't put words in my mouth. And if you try to, make sure you do it right and make sure I don't catch you. Because if I
Yeah,
do,
that's
you gonna
correct. That's
break
correct.
you
Every
out.
charged particle is affected by a magnetic field, right? That is created by the core of the Earth
It's
because it's
trapped in the
iron.
magnetosphere. So what you talking about? So I'm gonna say it again.
So what I'm saying is you are right there. I'm not saying you are wrong about the magnetic field attracting things, but it attracts charged particles, not masses.
You're not
Masses are
attracting.
affected by
Hey, you ain't
gravity.
catching and picking up what's being said. I understand. You know what I'm talking about? Once again, this is my last time I'm gonna say it. Then I'm gonna have to let you down. You hear me here? But listen, man. I said the magnetosphere, all charged particles get trapped in. You understand?
Yeah, which is correct. But masses are not charged. Like most masses, like humans or planets, are not really charged particles. They're just masses which are affected by gravitational
Hey,
force, not
sir,
magnetic force.
sir, can you give us the man name, sir, that made it beyond the magnetosphere for you to make the claim of planets?
The universal law of gravitation states that two objects, two masses attract each other with a force that is
That
proportional
law
to the
has been
inverse
in
of their
question
square
ever since it
and the
came out.
product of their masses.
That law has been in question ever since it came out.
But you don't understand it. How can you question it? You didn't even state it when I asked you. So what are you talking
I'm
about?
stuttering now. Yeah, that law's been
What
in
are you talking
question ever
about? You
since
didn't
it
even say
dropped. You
anything.
know that. But anyway, let's get
I
to the
asked
real
you about the law of
gritty behind
gravitation.
this and what need to be
You're trying
talked
to dispute
about.
something that you don't
You hear
understand.
me?
My brother, the earth
Yo,
is not flat. Your brain
say
is
though,
flat. You
Earth
are
is
dumb.
big flat because you know you can't prove nothing behind your gravity, and I'm gonna debunk all that. And run. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Sheesh.
What's up with you, bro?
What's going on with it, man? What's poppin'?
How's it going on, King? I'm kind of just listening to the conversation. And one thing that I gotta say is like, I don't know which way, but I just want to ask why. Okay, say we take gravity away and we substitute it with magnet, right? How
Everybody
do
float out
we?
into space.
How?
Yeah, everybody will float out into space. Debunk yourself. Debunk yourself.
Hey,
What's
hello.
going on?
Hey, good
What's happening,
morning.
man? You think Earth's a
Great,
ball?
great, man. God bless you. Mhm.
Come again?
Yeah, I said God bless you. I just took a bite because I was waiting. I just took a bite of.
Yes.
Let me chop it off and swallow it down. Yes, I believe that the Earth is flat. You know why? Because I believe the Bible also, and there's a passage in there that says the heavens for height and the earth for depth. So the heavens for the height and the earth for depth. So there is no ball. So you know what I'm saying? It's not a like they put on television that is a rounding surrounding ball that turns around in the
Yeah. But
what
look,
we
brother,
call.
I'm looking for those that oppose, though. I'm
Oh,
trying to
okay,
hold these debates. I ain't gonna be up here for too much longer. I'm getting a little tired, honestly. But you're
okay,
right.
okay.
You are
What?
100%. I say you're right.
Yes, yes, yes. No,
Hey,
keep it up, man. Beautiful, man.
oh yeah.
God
We
bless
all
you.
need to be doing this. Everybody
Mm-hmm.
should be doing this. Why not? Just prove them. Prove this to be the truth. Period.
Mm.
Why not?
Yeah.
They
Yes.
don't. They ain't doing nothing. All they been doing is leading everybody astray to the left because they trying to lead everybody down. That's
Mm.
the real truth. They want everybody to go down. They don't want you to go up and go into the light, the true light. You know what I'm saying? The only one, the one and only true light. They trying to say, Father God needed to say, "Let there be light." How can he? Why would he need and have to say, "Let there be light" when he is light?
Mm.
It's time to think. It's time to
Mm.
think. But look, brother, you be careful out there. I'm gonna let you down.
Yeah, man.
Peace,
You too,
love, and
man.
harmony to you. Oh yeah,
Thanks.
all the
Thanks.
way.
Blessings.
Yeah, why would our Father need to say, "Let there be light" when He is light? You gotta think. They manipulated and twisted everything. Literally. Gotta wake up, y'all. It's time for us to really jump up out the box. They say improvise, think outside the box. Nah, we jumping up out that bitty. We out of there. What's going on?
Yeah, all right, mate. Why is it that you keep cutting people off when it doesn't go your way?
Don't go my way. Can you present
Yeah,
gravity in physical form?
gravity isn't a physical form. So no, gravity is not a physical form. You keep talking about allotropy too. That's chemistry. Chemistry isn't gravity, is it?
Is it not gas?
Gravity's not gas, no.
That's not what that was my question. Is gas in
That's
chemistry?
exactly what your question was. You said,
Is
is that
gas
not
a
gas?
part of sir? Is gas a part of chemistry?
It's a wave.
Sir, is
It
gas
acts
a
as a
part of
wave
chemistry?
according to
Sir,
what's that?
are you is gas a part of chemistry?
Gases, yeah.
Right, okay, thanks, sir. So electrons flow through gas. You know that? My point and the reason why I say that is because your gravitrons don't flow through gas. So if your gravitrons don't flow through gas, what does that mean?
I don't think the gravitron's even been
One
proved. I
second,
think
I'm
that's
still
even a
talking. I'm
thing.
still talking. I'm still talking, buddy. If gravitrons don't flow through gas, that mean when the Big Bang y'all proclaimed, yeah, man, went off and happened, things. That means y'all gravity was never brought into existence in no way, shape, nor form, because it wasn't a part of that gas. Boom. Yeah, let's work. They want to play with it. We gonna see who's smart. They try to act with it. They really not.
What it do?
What's happening with it, man? You think Earth's a ball?
Nah, that's some bull crap. But I just really wanted to ask a question real quick. So I heard a couple people say gravity isn't a physical form, right? You didn't a couple people say that?
Then they trying to run behind LIGO, Einstein's claim, which is
This,
debunked
this
by its
the,
own self.
yeah, no, this is the thing that was bugging me. So, you know what I'm saying, I ain't the smartest man in the world, and I ain't no top notch scientist. But if gravity isn't a physical force, how can you measure it physically?
Thank you, exactly.
That's all I
Hello.
wanted to. You know what I'm saying?
Period.
You should
Yeah.
add that to one of your questions. Matter of fact, you know what I'm saying, I'm
Oh, I
gonna get
do.
about.
I tell them present gravity in the physical form.
They can't tell them to measure it. You can't because it's like saying
Yeah.
uh,
Earth is flat. Until y'all can do that, you can't. You
you
can? Oh,
can't
you can? Okay, okay. Hang on.
sea
Let me
level.
let
Why
you
is
down.
it called sea level? Level is a flat surface. A flat. It's flat.
Yeah, top. Yeah,
But
I got somebody talking about they can. Oh, okay, y'all. Okay. Listen, brother, you be careful out there. You know what I'm talking about? Peace, love, and harmony to you. I'm about to get these people this work. Uh-huh. Y'all get in the box. Ain't even in the box. Not even in the, you can't you ain't measuring nothing. It's a claim. Prove it. You measuring magnetic waves. That's
How
what you measuring.
does
You ain't
mag,
got no physical object for you to make that claim.
how
Out
does
there measuring magnetic
magnetic
waves, talking about they gravitational waves. Stop lying to people. What's
how
up
does
with it?
how does magnetic king prove that the earth is flat though?
Come again?
How does magnetic prove that the earth is flat? Even if it was round, wouldn't it still be magnetic? Wouldn't we still
You'll float
be
out into space.
if it was round and it was still
Yeah,
magnetic?
yeah, you float out into space.
Okay. I'm listening to it, King. You can go ahead and go to the next person. I'm just listening.
Oh,
I'm wondering. Learn. You got it. You got it. I'm
my
listening.
bad, my bad. I thought you was all the way on that side, man. But it's all good. Don't trip. It's all good,
Now
bro. I'm
I'm
doing this
learning. I just want
for
to know.
everybody.
I haven't heard nobody ask that question. I was just wondering. I'm like, everybody want to argue the thing, but I'm like, even if it was magnetic, could it still be round? Like, if we can't we still be magnetic to the? I don't know, but I just had the eggs. That's something I gotta look into. So you go ahead and go to the next one, King. I'm listening.
So, for sure. No problem, man. You be careful out there. Peace, love, and harmony to you, for real.
Okay,
All the
you was
way.
with.
Let's work. Man, we gonna see what they hollering, y'all. Flat Earth versus Globe Earth. Y'all see what it is. I'm gonna keep doing this, presenting the flat all the way, man. Every day. What's going on? You think the Earth's a ball?
I think it's a bowl.
Can you show us gravity, sir? Where's gravity?
It's nowhere. It's flat. You're right, Mr. K. I'm just joshing with you. I've watched you a lot. You're awesome. Keep going, brother.
All the way, man. All the way. Everybody gonna start waking up. Watch. Everyone's gonna start waking up. Like, wait a minute, bro. Hold on. No, this
I
makes
was just
sense.
missing you saying, do you think it's a bowl?
You think it's a ball, right?
That's it. You
People.
got it.
These people, I don't know. They got no choice but to wake up. What else can you do? You
Not
can't prove
much.
it to be wrong. You can't prove y'all globe to be right. You can't prove nothing behind the flat earth to be false. Nothing.
Peace and love, brother.
Unbelievable. Hey, you be careful out there, man. Peace, love, and harmony to you. For real.
Thanks,
Oh
brother.
man. No problem. Let's get it. Let's see what they talking about, y'all. Next contestant.
What's up? What's up?
What's going on? You believe the Earth is a ball?
I absolutely do.
Okay. Well, do you think you can show us and point us in the direction where gravity is?
So gravity isn't a physical object; it's a force. Can you? That's like saying to point to the force that pulls the magnet together. You can't see it as a force.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense. Because I can
Oh,
give you.
it absolutely does. And earlier you were saying something about gravitons and how gravitons can't flow.
So
Gravitons
you're
flow,
basically. So you're
not a force,
basically.
not a
You're
physical
saying
object.
that's cool, sir. So you're basically jumping over to LIGO then, right?
To what?
LIGO. LIGO behind gravitational waves, right? LIGO
Light
behind
is actually affected by
lasers
gravity.
and
That's why.
lenses, right?
Yeah, light is affected by gravity. That's why we have black holes.
Actually, sir,
Light cannot escape
black
the
holes.
force of.
Sounds good,
Yeah.
sir. Let's just get to the bottom of your LIGO. You know your LIGO debunks itself.
What is my LIGO?
The fact that you try to proclaim you can't
I
see gravity because
I
it's a
know.
force, the
Just
energy,
just
huh?
just because I said that I believe the Earth is round doesn't mean that I don't believe we have every single thing right. I don't think Big Bang Theory happened. Doesn't like I think we have things wrong, but I don't think the shape of our planet is one of those things. I'm not saying that everything science ever said is correct.
It's cool, but look, did
You
you
asked me
know
if I think the world is wrong, and I said
but,
yes. That's all I
the
said.
black holes are actually theoretical concepts. They're not true.
We have evidence that suggests black holes exist. We have pictures of black holes from deep space satellites. I can pull
That's
that up
why
right
they're
now.
theoretical.
I can
That's
pull
why
it for
they're
the I can pull it for the whole.
sir, sir. Sir, that's why they're theoretical concepts because there's only pictures that they proclaim to be real and true, but no one's made it out there to actually prove the claim.
Okay. So
That's why it's a
by that
theoretical
logic, then
concept.
sure. But by that logic, a lot of things that we proclaim to be true would just be theoretical concepts. Do you agree with that?
So by that, but the point is though, by that alone, that
Hmm.
debunks LIGO. That debunks
So
gravity being able. One second. That debunks gravity being able to bend and warp space and time. You know that
no, it doesn't. So being able to not
it
prove
does
something with
literally.
something does not mean that it automatically debunks it. Like I can say
It
this
does
happens and I can't prove it, but
literally.
it doesn't mean that it doesn't happen. Absence of
And
evidence
because
is
the
not
real true
evidence.
space is beyond the great dome. That's not space.
Can you
That's
show me the
just
dome?
energy. That's not space up there. That's just energy
Yeah, can you show me
within
the dome?
the energy field.
Can you show me?
It's an energy field.
Okay, so that's what I was saying. Gravity is something that you cannot see, right? But so black holes are just
It's why
theoretical.
the
We haven't seen
sky,
somebody
the
get touched,
energy field
right?
is, oh, you can see it. You can literally see it though. The energy field is why the sky is blue. That and due
Okay,
to the
but
waters above,
what about
which
when
is
the sky's not
space.
blue, like during sunset?
But
What about when the sky is not blue, like during a sunset, when it's actually like a hue of red or orange?
yeah, the sky is never not blue. The sky is not blue. Yeah, something wrong. Yeah,
Have you? I can see a sun. I can show you a sunset where the sky's not blue. We can do that right now. I got you.
sir. If you go up in elevation, I bet the sky be blue above where you saying. See blue.
Yeah,
Yeah, see
it's blue
blue.
up here.
Yeah,
My
I
question
know.
was, what about
I
in the
bet
instance
it
when it's
is
not?
some. I bet it is blue up there. Yeah,
Yeah.
don't make.
So when
Don't
in
feed
the
me
instance
blue
of
up
what it's
there.
not,
Huh?
what is this? How do you explain this? I'm asking. This is a question. How do you explain when it's not blue? Like where?
It's common
How is that?
sense. It's the sun's light
Okay.
literally
So
piercing through the
why does the sun's
clouds. That's
light
all that
not make?
is. Go
Why does the
above the
sun's light
clouds.
not? Yeah.
Hey,
Why
show
does
it
the sun's
above. You got
light
any pictures? You got any pictures like that above the clouds?
where it's orange?
Yeah, but above the clouds. Be above all that. You ever seen that?
Yeah. Yeah. I
Yeah.
can pull that up right now.
What color is
I
the
can. I
sky?
can.
What color is the sky?
I got. I'm gonna show you right now. We don't instead of asking me, we'll just look. Here's a sunset above clouds.
That's not above the clouds.
These
You
are all
see the cloud?
clouds. This is a mountaintop. This is above the clouds. That's a sunset. It's orange.
What is out there then?
What is that where? This is the
Go back
sun.
up.
This is
No, go back up. Move your camera. Yeah, what's that? What's that in the sky?
the
Those
sky.
are the
Like it,
mountains.
I don't,
Yeah,
yeah,
the clouds is still.
yeah.
He's
What about
standing.
it?
Somebody is standing on the mountains just because he's at one level of clouds. Don't mean he.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what? Y'all got to do better. But anyway, hey man, say man, we still see the cloud in the picture anyway. Yo, you all the way debunked. But anyway,
Okay.
can you show us a picture? I got video on my page of the
Is that
same
better?
thing. People
Is that
flying
better
in
for
the air.
you? Is this better?
Don't you see the blue in the sky?
Yeah, I'm not saying that the sky's not blue. You're saying that it's blue because of
Yeah,
the
you
firmament,
debunked
right? And I'm
yourself. What you
and I'm
got next?
saying,
You debunked yourself. What you got next?
I mean, I'm asking you questions. I'm not even trying to prove anything. I'm asking where is the firmament? Where is can I see proof? You said when the sky being blue is our proof because the
Sir,
water's
whoever
up
made it through
there.
the
So I'm
magnetosphere.
asking you. Yeah.
Oh, it's about when you reach the layer of the magnetosphere, the upper region. You know what I'm talking about? Right above that, the chaos layer.
Okay.
That's where it's
So,
at. The chaos
but
layer.
why can I not see? How we send somebody up there to touch it or something? How do you know? You saying that the black holes aren't real because we haven't
Nobody
verified
can
it
make
with.
it through the magnetosphere. That's
So
why
how can we
nobody's made it.
verify that if you're
Let
saying
me,
that we haven't proved black
hey,
holes?
hey, my boy.
Yeah.
Let me respond to you.
Okay.
But yeah, this is why nobody has made it out into proclaimed space. You know what I'm talking about? Because no one can make it through the magnetosphere. So how can you make and say
Okay.
anything
So you're saying that
space?
we cannot
Any
prove black
claim?
holes. Yeah.
Go ahead. What you say?
You're saying that we can't prove. You're saying that we cannot prove black holes because we've never sent somebody up there to verify it, right? But we have also not
But
sent somebody
nobody.
to verify the firmament. But you're saying
It's
that's
not
true,
the
right?
fact. It's not the fact that you haven't sent nobody. It's the fact no one can get through the magnetosphere. This is a region of the upper atmosphere extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that charged particles are trapped in. That's the reason why. It ain't because they just haven't sent somebody. No,
Okay.
you cannot get through the magnetosphere. All charged particles will be trapped in. So what's going on with this here, man? What's up with it?
So that being said, right? Do you believe that planets are like in within the magnetosphere? Or are you saying that everything that we observe in space
Ain't no
is
planets, sir. Those just luminaries. You know what I'm talking about?
okay?
Just luminaries.
But
And
okay,
once
are these
again, give me
luminaries
the man.
inside of?
Once again, look though, you got to make it make sense for yourself though too. You feel me? Give me the man name. You feel me? That made it out through the magnetosphere, where all charged particles get trapped in, and prove the claim for planets to be physical spheres.
Okay,
Give me his
so
name.
you're essentially your proof is that we haven't sent somebody to him, right? That's what you're basing
My
off
proof
your.
is no one can get through the magnetosphere region of the upper atmosphere, extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that all charged particles are trapped in.
Okay,
That's my
so can
reason.
I ask? Are you saying that gravity, that what we're calling gravity, is actually magnetism?
What y'all calling gravity doesn't exist. Only thing do exist is electromagnetism. Literally,
Okay,
everyone
so
is magnetic to a
tell
certain
me.
extent
So
due
if
to the.
we could,
I'm still talking.
okay,
Due to the
okay.
magnetic elements flowing within your veins, and the Earth is a giant magnet. So,
Okay, so we can agree that the North Pole is what we call North Pole is a magnetic north, and that the South Pole has
the
have a
magnetic
magnetic
tower in
south
the
pole.
center of this region of this planet terrain, yeah, it's a
Okay,
tower. It's a
so
magnetic rock
can you
tower.
show me another instance in where I can put something that is charged, oppositely charged on the side of an object and produce a downward force, and not just a force that attracts them to one of the poles? If it was magnetism, I should be attracted to either the north or the south, right?
No, actually,
Why am I
you know
being
what?
pushed
Let me
downward
explain
adjacent
it
to
to you, sir. The
those
magnetic
forces?
tower, sir. The Earth. The Earth magnetic field that they taught you about.
Hmm.
Yeah, actually stretch beneath the surface of the Earth.
Okay.
This is why everything falls down.
So you're saying that magnetic north is not at the North Pole. It's in the center, correct?
North Pole isn't where nor what you think it
I,
is.
I said magnetic north. So I'm just asking you
Yeah,
where
I
is the
know,
magnetic
but
north
it's not.
and
It's in the
where
center
is
of
the
the
magnetic North
region. It's
Pole?
in the center where they told you or Antarctica is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a minor. There's a minor little magnetic tower there. That's
Okay.
not
So
Antarctica. Antarctica is
if
actually
the
in true
magnetic
God's
north
world.
is in the center of our planet, why does my compass point north and
To
not
the
towards the center
center of
where
the
gravity?
yes, it points to the center. That's where your
Yeah.
compass
So
points to.
yeah. So
Literally,
if I got a real compass and stood outside and even if I held it
it's
at a
gonna
90-degree
point you
angle, why do
to
my
the
needles
center of the
float
earth. It's gonna
north?
point you to the center, to the magnetic tower, not the center of no sphere. It's gonna point you to the
So our
magnetic tower
magnetic field
center.
is
I'm
being
still talking.
created by a tower.
Hey, I'm still talking. It's gonna point you to the magnetic tower that's in the center that all continents surround. That's where it's pointing you to. Follow it and see where you end up.
Okay, so that goes back to my original question. If the magnetic tower is on the surface of the planet and at the North Pole and one at the South Pole, correct? Why
It
are
is
those
not one
two
at the South Pole.
opposing? Okay,
It is not
why are
one at
those
the
two?
South Pole.
Why is that opposing pole? Why is that giving me a downward force? And how
I just
come I
told you,
cannot
sir,
replicate
because
that?
the Earth.
No, you.
Hey, I'm gonna have to let the next guest up. I see you not even listening at all.
Oh no, I'm listening. It doesn't make sense.
You're not. I just told you the Earth's magnetic field does what? Stretch beneath the Earth's surface. That's why.
But the
Uh-huh.
fields still have a pole. All magnetic fields have a pole. Where is the
Right,
pole?
but the magnetic tower is a lot stronger than that pull that's coming from beneath the Earth's surface.
So you're saying
So
there's two? You already pulled two different directions now, in your theory, going towards the pole and one downward, right? I mean, you can laugh, but that's what you're saying. Like,
no, you're not getting what I'm saying.
I don't think
Everything
you
in
understand
you,
what you're saying.
everything in the human body is magnetic.
Okay, I
Everything
don't think
is.
you even understand what you're saying, sir.
I do understand what I'm saying. You just don't, and I'm
Okay,
not the creator
can
for
you
you
can you
to
prove it? Pull
give
something
you.
up.
I'm
Like,
not even
help
gonna never
me,
give
help
you
me
all those answers.
understand. Wake me up, bro.
It's all due to the magnetic tower, though. That's
Where's
what
the
you need to
tower?
go figure out and
Can
learn
I? Is
about.
there a picture of
It's
the
in the
tower?
center
Let
of
me look up the.
every.
I got
It's
you,
in the
bro. Let me look up
center
the
of every
magnetic tower.
continent that's here in the region they proclaim to be Antarctica.
This
Mm,
is
no,
a big ass magnet that someone stuck to the ground. This isn't. What are we
I don't
talking
know
about?
what you're doing. Hey, so
I'm
can you
asking.
point us in the direction of gravity?
Yeah,
Yeah,
that way. Downward, towards the center.
toward the center. Give us the
Yeah,
man
towards.
name, sir, that made it beyond 8 miles down.
They gave us beyond 8 miles. What's that do with the gravity?
Give us the man name, sir, that drilled beyond 8 miles down for you to make that claim.
Gravity isn't a physical object, so you can look for it down
Sir,
there. It's
you
not something
said
that you
the
can see.
center. You said the center. Give us the
Yeah,
man name, sir, that digged beyond 8 miles down for you to make that claim.
and I'm telling you that even if we had dug 30 miles or 100, that's where the force is pulling us. There's not something down
So
there.
it's a claim,
No, there's not something down there. I can do this,
sir,
and which way did it go down?
sir. So it's just a claim.
Here's my claim. You're watching it in real life, right? Drop something.
Yeah, that's
You're seeing it go
something.
downward, right?
That something was composed from components of the earth, so it's actually magnetic to a certain extent. Once
Okay.
again, did anybody and has anybody proved that core claim, sir? Because people can only dig 8 miles down.
Okay. But what does us digging have to do with anything about a force? Like, what are you looking for?
You
Like,
got to
let's say
get
we
down.
dug 30 miles.
We
What
looking
do you?
for the element. We looking for that element they claim is at
It's
the
not.
core.
It's not an element.
We
It's
trying
a
to just
force.
find that rock, chip it off, go take it back, test it
There,
in a
yeah.
physical
There's
form.
not a rock that's causing gravity. It's mass.
So
Mass.
there's nothing actually down there that's emitting
It's
gravity then.
no. It's the mass of our planet as a whole. It's not something at the
Right,
center that's
I
pulling us. It
understand.
is
That's
the mass
LIGO.
of the gravity.
Sir, that's LIGO. That debunks itself then. So that don't count. So once again, you
How?
gotta put us in the
How does
direction of a
how does
physical
that
object for you to
how does that
make this
debunk it?
claim behind gravity. Do you understand that?
Yeah. So I'm not. I said towards the center, not at the center. So gravity toward the
Where
center of the
can we
planet. Wherever
find this
wherever I am
rock?
on the
Yeah.
surface, wherever I'm on at the surface,
We
wherever.
understand.
Yeah.
Hey,
So
sir, we
what is light?
understand. Sir, I understand. I get it. Sir, once
Yeah.
again, though, where can we dig in the ground and find this element?
But you keep saying that it's underground. I'm telling you, it has nothing to do with underground. It's at the surface.
At the surface?
Yeah. So what?
Sir, why haven't
Yeah.
anybody found no element
There's
behind
no.
your
It's not an.
gravity?
It's not an element. Gravity is not an element. It's a
Your
force. An
LIGO
element
debunks
implies that
itself
it has
once
something on
again.
the periodic
You're not
table,
giving
correct?
us any answers. You're just giving a runaround. I'm gonna have to let you down. You understand? And stand. Hey, say something that's actually need to be said. Period. Once
Yeah.
again, you hear me? Hey man, say.
Where did any
Yeah,
scientist
hey man,
imply
I'm
gravity
talking.
was an
Hey, I'm
element?
still talking. I'm still talking. Point us in the direction. Once again, like I said, bro, the element that's emitting your gravity that you proclaim to be in
There's
mass. Nobody can
gravity is
dig.
not
I'm
being
still
emitted
talking,
from an
bro.
element.
You about to be off my live.
You asked me a question.
Nobody can
You asked me
dig
a question.
deeper than 8 miles down. So that little claim you just made
Okay.
is a fallacy, and you debunk yourself. And you talking about it come from the surface. LIGO debunks itself because black holes are what? Theoretical concepts.
Okay. So you were saying that pointing to the element that creates gravity, right? But gravity is not being created by an element. It's not on a periodic table. There's no protons and neutron makeup of
Once
gravity. It's
again,
not an
so you
element.
running back to LIGO. Once again, your LIGO is what? Debunk. And it
Let's look up.
debunks
Let's look up what
itself
LIGO
because
means.
black holes are theoretical concepts.
What does
You don't
our
know
gravity have to
LIGO
do with a
behind
black hole?
gravitation? You don't know your LIGO behind your gravitational waves? Oh, you got homework to do.
No. Yeah. No.
You come back. Yeah, you come on back when you think you done, figured it out.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on? You
Hey,
think
not
you can
much. How you
prove the
doing?
earth is a ball or no?
Yeah, so I'm a
Yeah,
mechanical
okay,
engineer.
we're gonna see today.
Yeah, I'm a mechanical engineer. I have a minor in astrophysics. So
Yeah.
know a little bit about
Well,
this topic. So hoping I can shed some light here. Are you at all familiar with the Coriolis effect?
what you want to bring? What you want to present behind it?
The Coriolis effect is how the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere they create weather patterns. It's why hurricanes always spin in a counterclockwise
That don't
rotation.
prove the earth to be a ball, sir, at all. The sky don't prove the earth to be a ball. Present to
Well,
us and prove to us that we stay grounded by gravity.
so how do you disprove gravity?
By you not being able to prove it exists by presenting it in physical form. That's how.
Okay,
Easy,
how do we?
simple, make it make sense. That's how.
How do you understand? How do you believe in a photon? Do you believe photons exist?
Photons are electromagnetic energy spectrums. What's the
Correct.
point?
So do you believe they exist?
Yeah, the
Okay.
electromagnetic energy spectrum.
Now what happens when you condense photons? What do they become? Become a laser. A laser,
Hey,
you can't see
what
a
you got
laser from
behind
point A,
gravity? And you
but
know
you
that's
can't
how
see.
y'all. You know that's how y'all proclaim to see gravity with
Well,
electromagnetic energy.
you cannot see a. Well, that's not exactly correct, but you cannot see a
Sir, that is
laser
literally how
beam.
they proclaim to test for G waves. Literally.
Well, let's stay on topic here. We talked
Oh,
about
we are on
photons.
topic. No, don't try to run now because I'm presenting what need to be said behind what you just said. Oh, don't do that, man. Come on
Well,
now. Keep it
the
100.
problem is I'm trying to explain the science behind it. You're shutting me down.
Debunking your
So
science.
condensed photons are called lasers, correct?
Can you present gravity, sir, in any way, shape, nor form?
Sure. You're sitting in it. The reason why you're not floating around is because gravity exists.
Because of
What about
electromagnetism, not your gravity.
how does the moon orbit Earth? How does that work?
Not due to your gravity. Prove it's due to your gravity.
So how does orbit work then?
Prove it's due to your gravity. Don't ask questions. Just present it.
Well, the theory of so you're saying the sun we orbit the sun orbits us. How does that
You
work?
ain't got nothing behind gravity. You just trying to learn about flat Earth, man. That's all
Oh
you
no
trying
no
to
no!
do.
I'm all about gravity. My point is the reason why the
Please
moon stays
show us
in
you
orbit
all
around the
about
Earth.
gravity because we've been waiting to see you all about gravity.
Sure, but the reason why the moon stays around Earth is because gravity. Correct?
Can you prove gravity exists? That's the
Sure.
point, sir. Not
The
trying to give us
sure
nonsense behind this.
the moon orbiting around Earth that proves gravity.
No, it doesn't, because that happens due to the magnetic tower.
Okay. So what
So
about
you say the
satellites?
moon.
How do
So
our
you saying
satellites
that's
how do
due
our
to gravity, right? So you proclaiming the moon is in space too, then, right? That's what you
oh
saying, right?
absolutely yeah
So
how
why
does
why
satellite
is the moon then why is the moon rusting?
the moon is not resting. The moon is not ionizing in any ways. How is the moon oxidizing?
The moon ain't rusting.
No, well, moon the rust is caused from oxidation. So how is the moon resting?
Yeah,
There's
the moon is rusting, and researchers want to know why.
there is no
Yeah.
oxygen. You need oxygen for oxidation to happen.
Sir,
There is no oxygen on the moon.
sir, why is the moon rusting? It's only
The
one way for the moon to rust, sir. You know this?
Yeah,
There's only
that is not an acclaimed
the
article. The
only
moon
way
is
the
not
moon can
rest.
rust is if the moon is right here in our local atmosphere. You know that?
The moon is not resting. There is no oxygen to make oxidation happen.
Sir, do you see this headline?
Yeah,
Are
I
you?
could give you a headline that says quite the opposite. I mean,
It's
you're
on
talking random. How
NASA.gov. You
can you
can
prove
go
that? How
find
can you
this.
prove it's rusting?
It's
How
on
can you prove it's
NASA. Hey, stop talking so you can get the answer. It's on NASA.gov. The moon is rusting, and researchers want to know why. What's up with it, man?
the moon is not rusting? You need oxidation
Sound
for
good, bro.
for
That's
that.
all you gonna say is no, 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 no,
Well, see,
no,
you can't
no,
prove
no.
anything either. You
That's
say
all
you
you
know,
can
but
say
you
is
don't know.
no,
But
bro.
see,
You
you don't
done.
know either.
Hey, you
But you
say you
don't
a
you don't
physicist?
know.
It's due to oxygen and water. What you hollering? It's right here in our local
Right?
atmosphere,
There's no oxygen on the moon, sir.
sir. The moon is in our local atmosphere.
Oh my lord. Well,
So
good luck,
yeah,
buddy. You need to read
yeah,
some
you
science
done. You
books.
can't prove nothing, huh? You gonna run now, physicist? Talking about you a physicist? You ain't no physicist.
I'm an engineer and I have a minor in astrophysics, and I can
What the
promise
gravity
you,
exists
I
then?
could,
You
gravity
can't defeat
exists.
me. Why you can't defeat me? You know, I'm just a
Because
regular.
you
I'm just a
can't tell me
regular
how the
hood
moon or
fella.
you can't
Don't
tell
get
me how
mad
the moon
and
or
run, bro. You know what I'm
okay,
talking about? Listen, man, don't get mad,
how do
Opry.
satellites stay in orbit?
Stay in orbit. They got little thrusters. What you hollering, man? What?
So how where do they get
They
the
got little
energy?
thrusters and they're connected to giant
Okay,
helium
let's
balloons
listen.
designed by Google. What are you
Okay,
hollering? Better
you
yet, no, we can do
said
better
what
than
you said.
that. How
You
do the
talk.
satellites actually function and work? They function off of carrier signals. What is a carrier signal,
So you
sir?
so
Huh?
you're saying we
A
can dismantle
carrier,
all the
a
thermodynamics,
carrier
that we
signal
can
is
have satellites.
electromagnetic wave.
We have
Yeah,
satellites that have continual
whose
thrust.
whose modulations are used as signals and television and other radio
Do you
transmission.
understand the laws of thermodynamics, sir? The law of thermodynamics in a closed
Yo,
system it cannot be
hey,
created nor destroyed. We do not have
hey,
satellites that have continuous energy sources.
yo, hey, how does the satellite send its message? Is it not
Sure.
through carrier signal, sir?
Do you understand? Okay, it works off solar power for or soft. Do you
We ain't
understand
talking
the?
about that, sir.
Do
We
you
talking
understand
about
that
how
you can
does it
only get about?
send its message? You know, through them radio signals and
All you do
days.
is talk, bro. You don't know
It's called a
shit. All you do
carrier
is talk.
signal.
You just talk
You
over
ain't
people.
saying nothing that need to be heard, and you ain't answering no question that need to actually be answered. That's why you
Because
saying a lot
you
of
don't let people
nonsense.
talk, bro. You don't. That's
You
why you
saying
think you're right.
nonsense,
You don't
bro.
let
That's
people
why.
talk.
Answer these questions that really need to be answered before the mass is like a real one, but you ain't. That's why you not.
I've answered your questions. You just won't
You
let
ain't
people
answer
talk.
nothing.
You just talk over
You
people,
answer
bro.
nothing.
That's why you got
You
134,
present
400
gravity in the physical
followers.
form.
You don't let people talk.
Present gravity in the physical form. Go.
Gravity is not a physical form. Gravity is a
Present
result. Is
gravity
force.
in any form. Go.
Okay. You're okay. You're sitting in your chair. That's gravity. Gravity pulls at
Electromagnetism. Go.
gravity pulls at the same. You want
Electromagnetism. Go.
a theory of electromagnetism?
No, I said that's due to electromagnetism. Go. What you got next? Go.
That's incorrect. That's prove that.
So what you
How do you
got
prove
next,
that?
bro? Go. Yeah, it
No, how
is.
do you
That's
prove that?
correct. You do off. Go.
Prove
What
it.
you got?
Prove it's
What you mean prove
electromagnetism.
it?
Prove
Prove it.
it.
Everything on every. What? You don't know electromagnetism exists? Is you serious?
So if I put
Hey, have you ever
a
seen a
south
volcano
pole,
erupt? Have you ever seen a
sure
volcano
have.
erupt? A
Absolutely.
volcano literally demonstrates electromagnetism right before your eyes.
Oh my God, is that what you really think? That's really what
Are
you
you
think?
crazy?
Oh my
So you gonna sit in
God.
front of the people and lie? There is not magnetic elements flowing within that magma and electrical what? Static electricity, sir? Huh?
Oh my God. That is not what causes the
Huh?
volcano to erupt, though. It is a
Is
byproduct
that
of it, sir.
is that not going on within a volcano? It was the question.
Sir, you need to study. You need to study
So
thermodynamics,
you're
and
saying
you understand.
that doesn't
You don't
have,
have enough
sir,
education to
you're
understand,
saying
sir.
that doesn't
Sir, you don't
have
have enough
any
education to understand.
type
You
of
don't have enough education,
participation inside a
sir. You
volcano
don't
eruption?
understand. You don't understand. You don't understand what causes it to
You don't
happen.
understand. Answer the question then if I don't understand. Keep it on.
A volcano is not caused by a
I didn't
electromagnetism.
say that's why it's caused. Did I say that? No,
Is
I
it a
said go watch
byproduct?
a
Is it a
volcano
byproduct of it?
erupt. That's what I
Okay,
said. Don't try to twist it up because you know you have nothing behind that there.
okay. How is that?
Literally,
Tell me
electromagnetism is literally being demonstrated behind volcano
how
eruptions, dog. Boom.
how how
I just
how
told
is
you how
electric?
the magnetic
Tell
elements within it, the magma and their static electricity, and due to the lightning strikes, it demonstrates and show you their static electricity happening and flowing within the energy of that magma. You know that. You
how
supposed to be a
tell
physicist.
me how electromagnetism how it's
I ain't
created.
telling
How
you
does it work?
nothing. Tell us how
How does
gravity
that
is
work?
here,
No.
or the
You
Earth is
say
flat.
everything's caused by it.
Physicist.
Tell me how it works. How does
A
electromagnetism work?
physicist. I
What
just
is electromagnetism?
you want to look. Electromagnetism, signs
No,
of
no, don't
charge
read.
and of the
Don't.
forces and fields associated with charge. Electricity and magnetism
Okay.
are
How do
the
you create one?
are two aspects of electromagnetism. Yes,
How could?
responsible for far
Okay.
more than just electricity and magnetism. It is the force that binds negatively charged electrons to positively charged
Sure.
electrons.
Give me one example how we create it. Do you know how we
Boom.
create it? It's called a generator. You ever heard of a generator? That's electromagnetism. You understand how that works? How's the generator work, sir? That's electromagnetism. You're creating a magnetic field. You're creating. You're taking electrons from the north and
Sir,
south
sir,
poles.
sir. That's due to electromagnetic, sir. That's electromagnetics actually. But anyway, sir, you a liar.
You don't
You a liar.
understand, Ani. You don't
All y'all
understand.
do is try to get on here and y'all lie. Y'all try to act like y'all smart or something because some people may not know about this stuff that y'all be talking about. You
Hmm.
ain't nothing but a liar. Man, I
Well, no.
figured y'all out.
I'm telling you what you learned in
I
school.
figured y'all out.
I'm
I
telling you
know
what's education.
everything you trying to talk about. Everything.
It's
You a
all a lie.
liar, man. Y'all
Well,
get on these lives because y'all know these people don't know all this stuff like this. And y'all
no,
keep twisting and
but
manipulating things as y'all do. You ain't saying nothing that even makes sense. You know that on
that's the
everything.
contrary of what you're.
You
That's what you're
twisting
doing.
what you're saying to try to make it seem like it's not what it is so the people can't pick up on the truth. I know
But
what you're doing. That's why I keep
yeah,
making you go back and making you present it in the right state and fashion because I know what
yeah,
it is.
you're right.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
challenged you, and
Anyway, though,
I
hey,
asked
present
you.
gravity in any type of form once again. Try it.
What about atoms? Do you believe in atoms?
Have you ever seen an atom, or is it just some type of shadow?
You
Electrons is real though.
good lord, you don't believe in atoms. Well, sir, we're not going to agree, and I wish you the best. But you
Yeah.
really need to
Anyway,
repent of your.
I didn't say I didn't believe in them. I just said, have you seen them?
Okay. Well, good luck, my
Yeah,
friend.
I know. I don't need luck. What you talking about? You might though.
Man, what?
Do this. Physics got that work. What are you hollering?
Hello?
Hello? What's going on? What's going on? Yeah. Can you present gravity in any type of form? Go ahead. However you would
I
like.
I just wanted to say that the moon is rusty, and I believe that
Yeah, it is rusting all the way. You understand me, man? But listen, I'm gonna let you down. Move on to the next.
it's probably rusted in your face too.
No, that's just you. Get it together. That's just you. They can't do nothing behind this, y'all. What I tell y'all. That's just you. They can't do nothing behind this, y'all. What I tell y'all, Flat Earth, Mr. Flat Earth itself, the big stepper. Huh? Yeah, they thinking they gonna keep presenting this nonsense to the man. Flat Earth, Mr. Flat Earth itself, the big stepper. Huh? Yeah, they thinking they gonna keep presenting this nonsense to the masses, keep twisting it up, lying to the people. No, not no more. Yeah, the people about to all the way and truly know the earth is flat. There's more land beyond the ice walls on everything, though. We really need to come together and get this together and push together. Period. Yeah. Let's see. Next guest. Come on. Let's see what they got. Let's see what they should do anything. Mm. They big scared. They running, y'all. They running. I done, man. Once again, man, I'm standing on Einstein chest with my left leg. You hear me? And I'm standing on Isaac Newton's with my right. Oh, what y'all gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? Y'all, gravity don't exist. The earth is flat. It's all due to electromagnetism. We all have magnetic elements flowing through the veins within our bodies, y'all. The earth is a giant magnet. Believe this and remember that there. You hear me, man? All the way. They can't prove gravity in any state, no form, no fashion. All the way here. Presenting this, showing this to y'all faces. Live. No game. Not playing, man. All the way. Y'all see what it is, huh? They can't do nothing behind this here. Mm. We about to, oh, what's that now? Okay, you back? Let's see what you gonna present then. Show us something, Jack.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna go ahead and jump out of here quick so you could go back to what you're doing. But I was just wondering, I'm sure some people are wondering, what state you from, bro?
Man, it don't matter. You know what I'm talking about. Oh,
Oh,
you just
yeah.
support me. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Mm. As y'all can see, man, Mr. Flat Earth itself, all the way pushing this the real way. They have nothing. None. What is this?
Hook up. Do you want to battle?
You think the Earth is a ball?
Do you want to battle?
If you think the Earth's a ball,
I mean, some days.
so what about other days?
I think it's flat some days. I think it's a ball some days.
Oh, okay. So you, I was just wondering, sir. You're undefeated, bro. What? Oh, oh my gosh. She don't even know what the day y'all. Hey, y'all gotta come on. Hey, come on, man. Oh man, come on. No, ain't nobody trying to be over here trying to, flirting things. Ain't going that way, man. We gonna keep it on track, stay on track all the way. Believe this, man. You know what I'm talking about? We gonna keep it legitly done the real and right way. We ain't got time for none of that none of that otherness. Period. Straight up. Uh, she might be on to something. What? Whoa. Nah. Like that, you should have even said that to yourself. Now, come on, man. Hmm. Let me
Oh,
what's going
really
on,
only
man?
one question. Um, okay, so if the Earth was flat, how would it rotate?
It doesn't, sir. Stationary.
Stationary. If it's stationary, then why does the sun rise and set?
Oh, the sun just goes in a circle above your head, goes further
Oh,
away,
so the sun revolves around the Earth is your theory.
all the way.
Okay, so if the sun revolves around the Earth and that nature, how does the sun rise and set on Mars?
The sun doesn't rise nor set. So you said on Mars?
On Mars, yeah.
Oh, give us the man name, sir, that made it through the magnetosphere to prove that claim.
The man that we landed on Mars or whatever?
No, sir. I said, give me the man. Yeah, you can give me the man or machine that made it through the magnetosphere region of the upper atmosphere, extending out thousands of miles, dominated by the Earth's magnetic field, so that charged particles are trapped in. And then, sir, right above that is the chaos layer, sir, that has yet to be speculated because no one can make it through the magnetosphere.
Okay, if any of that was actually existent, for one, we wouldn't be
It
able to
is. What
send
are you talking about? Hey, everybody on this live right now, you can type in MAGENTOSPHERE into your phone. Magnetosphere will pop up and you will see what I'm talking about.
Okay, so explain
So
how
what? Just because you're not that educated, sir, don't ever come on my live again and try to degrade what it is I'm saying. You hear me?
explain how the space station is in space right now.
You explain how anyone or anything made it through the magnetosphere. That's what need to be explained.
Okay,
Since you
propulsion.
want to come up here and try to disrespect me in that form. Explain
Propulsion.
now, or you're getting down.
Propulsion. Propulsion. Simple. There's
Proportion. Once
propulsion.
again, sir, all and any trapped part of any charged particles will be trapped in.
Charged particles.
So,
Define charged
right,
particles.
your proportion will be literally stopped and trapped within the magnetosphere. So,
But
how,
explain to me. Define the word charged particle for me. 'Cause I don't think you know what that means.
oh, you don't know what it means? You have homework to do. Don't even make sense.
Yeah.
What's going on? You think the Earth is a ball?
Yeah, and I can prove that pretty easily. So the
Please.
reason our atmosphere is blue is because the light in a prism reflects off of a sphere. It bends to the
That's actually
color
due
of
to
the
the
ray.
energy that emits from the Earth's magnetic field.
Wait,
So
hold on, hold
that
on, hold on.
curve,
Let me at least make
meet
my
up
point
in the
before you.
sky don't have nothing to do with your round Earth curvature.
Wait, let
No,
me
I
let
want
me
you
at
to get
least
to
make a point,
gravity.
bro.
Get to gravity, sir. Jump to gravity.
For our atmosphere to be blue,
Sir,
light
jump to gravity.
in a prism has to reflect off of a
Once
sphere
again, sir, I just said that
made
is
up with
literally due to the
carbon
energy
and
field up in the
nitrogen
sky,
in the
debunking your
atmosphere.
sphere.
That's the
Right?
only way that you can get a blue
I just
sky.
debunked it. So,
No, you didn't.
yeah, I did.
You didn't.
Due to the Earth's literal electromagnetic field that emits from the
No,
Earth. Yeah, the Earth is a magnetic field in the sky. That's
electromagnetic
why the
fields can
sky is
also be
blue.
found on Saturn.
Literally. That's why the sky is blue.
Electromagnetic fields can also be found on
Okay,
Saturn, but
sir.
since there's
Can you prove
lithium
that,
and
sir? Can you
carbon
give us the man
sulfate,
name, sir, that made it through the magnetosphere, sir, to make
carbon
your claim
sulfate
actually true about
and
Saturn?
lithium are in the
Can you
atmosphere of
prove that
Saturn, and
claim
that's why
that
it
you
has
just made?
orange
Sir, give
atmosphere.
us the man name behind this Saturn claim that you just made, or that Saturn in space, everything that you just told us about is all fake. Period. What's his name?
Yo, what?
You heard what I
No,
just said. You heard me. Hey, operate on everything. Give us the man name, man, behind that claim you just made about Saturn that made it out there to prove that claim of it being a solid sphere. You dig what it is, man? Speak up now.
well, I'm saying Saturn has lithium and carbon sulfate in its atmosphere, and
Once
when
again, sir,
when a
who went
sphere
out there to
with those
prove
two
this claim?
chemicals are in its atmosphere are
Yeah,
reflected
so you ain't
upon by
got nothing. You
electric
ain't about to sit here and
fields,
monologue on
it
my
makes it
live. I'll
orange.
kick you off right now. Give me an answer straight like that. Give us the man name. Are you down?
What are you saying? The man's name of
You
what?
hear what I'm saying, bruh? Who made it through the magnetosphere, sir? Give us the man name, sir. I'm gonna kick you off my
The
live, sir. You trying
magnetosphere?
to
Are you talking about
diatribe?
the
We ain't about to
south
listen
and
to your
north
monologue.
poles? The south and north poles make the magnetosphere. It can be easily bypassed. It doesn't have any effect on actual mass. You could
The
literally walk through.
magnetosphere region of the upper atmosphere, extending out thousands of miles, dominated by Earth's magnetic field, so that charged particles are trapped in. Nothing can get through here. Why?
No, you can
And
pass
there's
through.
another reason.
You can pass
That's
through
why
charged
nothing can get
particles.
through there. Oh, you
Do you
can?
want to know?
Sounds
You want to
good.
know how? You want to know how you
Sir,
could prove that you
slow
can
down
pass
for one
through charged
second. I'm not
particles?
done. Hey, I'm not done.
Okay.
Anyway, and then there's another region right above there, which is the chaos layer, which has yet to be speculated because no one can make it through the magnetosphere.
Yeah, the layer is completely unproven even by flat Earth theory. So we're
It's
we're
on
not even.
NASA.gov. So what is you
But
saying? Get off my
um,
line, bro. Y'all all liars. That's all y'all can do is lie. All you gloobers is liars. Y'all try to talk like this to these people that don't know what they talking about and try to make these people look bad on their own lives because y'all think others don't want and won't figure it out. I actually know this. Yeah. Just how y'all proclaim, oh, I do this. Yeah, I know this. You can't come up here and lie, bruh. This is why I'm making you stop. I'm making you back up. Oh, wait on. Oh, wait, we gotta revert. Nope, you just said something. Hang on, man. You gotta prove this. Yeah, you just gotta prove what you said. Period. And you know that. That's why they keep trying to talk, y'all. One who talks a lot is trying to cover up a lie. That's why they do a lot of talking. They trying to cover up a lie. When you have facts, you can present your facts with little words. Everybody know that. That's a fact. Like everybody know that. You can say little by saying much. You can say little and still say so much. This is why I have to cut them off. This is why I got to. They try to keep going on monologuing, reading off a script that they done found on the internet. You know what I'm talking about? Maybe behind some history class or something. Quit playing with it. We know what's going on. We want the physicalities. Where's the physicalities behind your gravity? Where's it at? Nothing. Nothing. Y'all have nothing. Jump in the box then. Quit being scared. Talk all that smack, got nothing but disrespect, but y'all scared to get up here and get it in with Mr. Lost Knowledge. Did you know you can't win? Mr. Flat Earth itself, Flat Earth versus Globe Earth. What y'all want to? Who can prove me wrong? Who can prove me wrong? Y'all been trying to prove me wrong for so long. None of y'all can prove me wrong. This is sad. This is sad. Unbelievable. What's going
What's
on?
up? I just got
What's going on?
sorry. I'm fighting COVID right now.
You
I
think
gotta
the Earth
say
is
it's
small?
kind of cracking me up that you're using NASA as your sources, but when
Yeah,
other
because
people
they have
are
Nikolai
using stuff
Tesla's
that
work there.
NASA uses, you're going against it. So which
They
one
have
is it?
Nikolai Tesla's work there. That's why. You must find it. Ha! Did you know that?
No, you're literally posting stuff and saying, "Look, NASA said it," but NASA
Did
said
you hear what I
a
just said?
million
You to
things,
still be
and you're
talking the way
going
you
against it.
is, you must not be listening to what I'm saying. I'm gonna have to just drop you and kick you off my live.
Can
You
we
hear?
just meet at the edge of
Hey
the
man,
earth?
hey, man. Yeah, I just
Let's just
said
meet at the
because
edge of the
Nikola
earth.
Tesla's work there. Nikola Tesla's work is there. Are you following? You under dig? Do I need to say it once again, loud and clear?
Oh, you can say it again. Say "sir" again too, please.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So what's happening? What you got to say, man? What's up with it? Present something.
I did present. How can you go against NASA and with NASA
I
in your
need to
same
answer that
arguments?
question. That's why. Nikola Tesla.
Will you pull up the rust again, the moon?
No. Tell us why the moon is rusting.
I just wanted NASA to tell me.
You got nothing. Oh, everything.
Good man.
What's happening, man? You think the Earth's a ball?
Personally, we live in a world where motherfuckers will just tell you anything and expect you to believe it. So
They be cursing on my live. Gotta drop you immediately. They gonna try to, pull that little nonsense on me. Let's get it. Flat Earth versus the globe. You know what I'm talking about? Who think they can stand
Yo,
up and present a ball in any physical form? What's up with it, sir?
yeah,
You
yeah,
think
yeah.
Earth's a ball?
No. I'm with you, brother. I don't believe it's a ball at all. Hey, since when has ever water bent or not? You know, you can't bend water, right?
Not at all. Not at
That's just a
all.
simple example.
But look,
It's
brother,
a
I'm looking
simple
for those that
example.
oppose. You feel me? I'm looking for everybody that
Yeah.
oppose. All the operas
Oh,
jumping
yeah,
the
yeah. I
line.
understand you, bro. But
It's
I
all
understand
good.
you. I just want to give
I'm
you
doing
some. I
all
just want
this.
to give you some support, bro.
It's all good. Don't trip. I'm doing all this for us, man. You be careful out there.
Yeah,
Peace,
man.
love, and harmony. I'm proving this to the world for everybody can see this right before their eyes. Period. Straight up. If you agree, please get out the box. I want the ops. All of them.
Hi.
What's going on? You think Earth's a ball?
No, no, no. I don't buy that crap, Honestly, I think the earth is flat and the sun goes around it, just like Enoch wrote in his book. When you read the book of Enoch, he describes that the earth is flat and the sun goes around it. But I made an interesting discovery. I was studying the Bible and I realized that in the Bible, Joshua prayed for the sun to stand still. So if the earth was a ball and the earth is rotating around the sun, why would Joshua pray for the sun to stand still? And the final point is this is going to blow your mind. Jesus said if he comes,
Not gonna blow my mind,
everybody's going to
sir, at
see him.
all. Not at all.
Everybody's going to see
Because
him.
we
So
still see
if
the
Jesus
sun
says if he
moving.
comes, everybody's going to see him, then
We see
the
the sun
earth cannot
moving.
be round.
But you have a great
The
day.
earth cannot be.
We literally see the sun moving. Literally. Not gonna shock me. Nah. Yeah, anyway, man, y'all can't prove y'all gravity in no type of way, fashion, or form. You know what I'm talking about? We see the sun moving every day right above our heads. Yeah, man, he literally goes away and he come back. Go away and he come back. So I don't understand, nor do I know the point behind that there, period. What's up with it? Hey, do you think the Earth's a ball?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's cool. You feel me? I'm a flat earther all the way, and I'm out here debating people on this here, real time and real live. You hear me, man? Let's go. Huh?
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right.
Let's
Yeah.
be
Do you think huh?
this. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead.
Bet. What you laughing for? You about to be the one being laughed at. But anyway, though, check Gandy Ball. You feel me? Do you think you can present gravity in any way, any shape, nor form in a physical way? Let's go though. Work.
Um. Repeat the question again.
Can you present gravity in any physical shape nor form? Matter of fact, present gravity however you would like to. Do you?
Okay. Well, gravity.
Mm-hmm. You ain't got no. You ain't got no.
Now listen, now hear me out, right? But
Oh my god! What? Yo, what you got behind gravity? What
get
you?
chat right now?
Huh?
Get snipers in your chat?
Snipers in my chat. I don't even do any of this. Listen, do you think you can present? You ain't answered nothing about gravity. What's up with that?
Gravity. I can present gravity. Um, um.
Okay. Yeah, you have a good night. You hear me?
Oh, wait, no, no.
What was that? Just present gravity. That's all you got. Good Lord, you can't do nothing. 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 Couldn't even say this fell due to gravity. Nothing. Sheesh. That's not. It's all right.
All
It's
right, hold on, I'm back. So wait, you wanted to talk about gravity, right? I can talk to you about gravity.
Go ahead. Present it however you want.
Okay, I'll present it at the fundamental level. Electrons, okay? Electrons form together along with protons and neutrons to form atoms. We also like I don't think you realize that atoms are the product of gravity. If there was no gravity, atoms would fall apart. There would be nothing in existence. Gravity is the hold all be all for binding everything that exists. But we can
Hey,
literally measure the
hey,
gravity
hey,
between
buddy.
electrons, protons, and
Yo,
neutrons.
sir. What about the study? What about the Russian study behind atoms that they don't exist?
The Russian study behind atoms not existing, I would have to call that
Yeah.
false because we can observe atoms with our
Just
own
because you
eyes.
want to call it false, but they actually have actual factual evidence behind the fact that no one's ever found atoms.
No,
Literally.
no, that's not quite true. I've actually seen
No, it
atoms
is
myself.
true, sir.
I
It
have
is
went
true.
out and
It's
bought
not
a
quite
telescope.
true, sir. It's
I
100%
actually have a
true.
telescope here at my house
Sir.
that I'm able to
Hey,
observe
buddy,
atoms
buddy.
on.
Sir, listen. Literally, no one's ever found no atoms. The pictures that they show people behind atoms are animations. When they say they are looking at atoms, it's nothing but a shadow. You don't see
Um,
anything.
okay,
So
well, we'll have to disagree on that one, but then fine, let
there's
me up
nothing
the
to
scale.
disagree on, sir. That is the
Would you
truth.
believe,
Sir,
mm,
sir,
mm,
if you're not going to be logical and, hold common sense here, I'm going to have to let
well,
you down.
if you want to
That's
be
the truth.
logical, what about the Russian
Sir,
studies that say the
sir,
Earth is a
sir,
ball?
sir. That's the truth, is it not?
Okay. No, I wouldn't. I would say that it
Have
isn't.
you
But
ever looked
we can
into any
go.
science behind atoms, though? What do atoms
Yeah,
truly look like?
you can
Sir, let me
literally
finish
observe
talking. I'm gonna
atoms.
have to let you down. What do atoms truly look like when they're being looked and peer reviewed behind science? What do they look
Oh, I
like
can
when they're
tell you. I
actually
can tell
looking
you
at them
because
in that moment? What do they
I
truly
can
look
tell you.
like?
Yes, I can tell you. I've actually seen atoms. So
What do they look
electrons
like?
look
Sir,
like
what do
small
the atoms look
particles
like? We
of
didn't, not electrons.
electricity.
Answer the question.
Protons. No, electrons, protons, and neutrons are what is an
Bro,
atom.
what do
That's what makes
atoms
them
look
tick.
like? Answer the question. Are you
Okay,
okay?
it looks small balls. It looks like small balls of electricity. You see tiny
No, it
clumps that
don't,
look like
sir. It look
sand,
like a
and
shadow.
then you
They don't
see
see
other tiny
nothing.
balls that look like sand.
They look like a
Okay, fine.
shadow. They don't see anything,
If
sir.
you don't
Sir,
believe in atoms, then let's
sir,
up
why
the
are you
scale.
just trying to keep talking? Why? You're not
Okay,
proving nothing by
well,
continue to talk.
okay,
If
fine
you
then.
got facts,
Let's
brother,
do
you
this.
should be able to just say that and leave
Well,
it at that.
I'm
You
telling you facts,
continue to
but
dialogue because you lying.
no,
Do you know
okay, well
that?
then let's not
You
dialogue.
ain't
Let's hop
never
off this
seen,
part.
hey.
Listen,
You
hold
ain't
on.
never ever
Let's up the
seen
scale
nothing.
then.
Bro, stop talking
Let's
when I'm talking. What's wrong with you? They ain't never ever seen no physicalities behind no atoms. Ever. Ever. No real true pictures and color behind no atom. Nothing. No game. Not playing. They made it up. No true anything behind their proclaimed to be atoms. Nothing. Nothing. Oh shit. Hold on. I'll be back. Gotta go. Gotta go.